game. Oh shit.
Balls.
Made it bubble.
Balls.
Shush.
Oh, these are
Might be
Chris.
oh, little cute foxes.
Ammo. Now you can go to town with your electric gun, James. Because that's all I did for the story, just sprayed that.
Whoa, what was that? Oh,
That is dead. More
I got
ammo.
some boost thing.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh
What is
yeah,
that?
no, it's a weapon. A very, very bad weapon.
Doesn't look that bad to me.
It is quite bad, it's really weak.
Oh yeah, balls.
Yeah, but
Balls.
how about we actually kill the monsters first, like, you know,
Oh,
just
but the
a
ball.
suggestion.
Did he give us a shield?
Nope,
Cheers.
that's trapped us.
Nah, it's a shield.
Are you saying you'd still like to be
Wrong
trapped
gun.
inside here? I'll just let you kill them all, James.
I think we should all do it. What? Am I shooting Chris?
No. That's this weapon's special ability. The more people use it, the stronger it gets. So like orcs together.
Just like just shooting Chris.
Yeah, stop shooting me, James.
Oh, it's fun.
Slow mo. Whoa, big guy coming. You got knocked over.
Bitch, please. We need the ball.
Chris,
Banana.
on my ball. Yeah.
I got my big orange ball.
Move.
No,
Big
Chris. Move right a bit, Chris. There we go. Oh, bye,
Shit,
Chris.
I fucked up.
Yeah, just come here. It should automatically give you a ball again. There we go.
What about me?
Oh shit.
You were not expecting that, were you?
No.
It's good job I didn't say anything, because I would have said keep pressing X.
Where's Chris? Oh, there.
He died.
There we
didn't
go. Finally.
he? I'm already doing it.
Shit, I knew that.
Okay.
Just doing it for the effect.
Right.
Yeah, no. He might have jumped.
Alright, I'm just gonna put this out here. Sam's gonna die. We have a guardian?
Not quite.
Wing guardian, let me outside.
You see that light?
Yep. We have to
Well,
walk into it.
yeah.
I'm not stupid. Oh, I gotta take the health before you get here.
No, you fucker. That's right, I still picked it
Oh.
up. Yeah.
Oh,
It's a potato.
yeah, he's a potato.
How many enemies are there?
Or a roid bot.
It's a potato on steroids. Oh, crap. Help me. No, man.
Hey, Zoe.
I think we helped you.
Wrong one. James, you're on
Hey,
91k bolts, and you got more here. Oh, this is the map where you will get a shit ton. Bye, Chris.
Chris!
Triangle. Yeah, double punch, James. Go to town. Yeah, don't worry about the critics. Just ignore them. They serve no purpose to the game.
Let's reach the bushes! No!
You're not gonna get them.
Raise them off.
Yeah, just keep your electric gun on, and just keep shooting everything.
But they bad.
Yeah, they're very bad. And the electric gun will one-shot them, so you'll get a shit ton of bolts off them.
Ooh, are these little creatures I can pick up?
Yeah, but you don't need to.
Oh, I got a trophy, Galactic Hero.
Don't know what that's for. Oh, James, so
Yeah, he
close!
almost-
Oh!
What's this?
Oh, Chris, why'd you save him?
Oh, save me! Save
Chris!
us!
Chris! Chris, what are you doing?
No! Sam, you're such an
Yeah,
asshole.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you don't really need them, but okay. They're only for the costumes.
Just you jump, Sam. Jump. I dare you.
Oh no. No!
Yeah. No! You're supposed to go into the light.
I'm never jumping again.
No.
Like I said, I'm never jumping again.
Ready, pal?
Crazy.
What the fuck? Bye, James.
Why
Oh
is he
crap. Yeah. Lols, thank you, James. You spawned and shielded me. How very nice of you. Oh, come on. I think there's some boxes up here, James. Yeah. Yeah, so let's move on.
It's too far to jump.
I can't run anymore.
Oh, stop complaining. Why, James, why did you do that?
Didn't do it on purpose.
Yeah, you did.
I'm used to being the one that does that. Oh shit. Wrong gun.
There's some ammo here, but we don't need it. Wait until enemy.
Oh, gonna be a ball.
Huh?
Everyone get the ball, everyone get the ball.
Oh shit.
Right, Chris, someone move right along. Okay, we didn't do it. Chris,
I need ammo anyway. Can we come get some ammo?
what? You're fine, Farmer. Chris, come on to your ball. Right, you two get in a ball.
How would I get out of it then?
Let's go to the other side.
Right.
You go to the middle.
Yeah. Right, James and Chris move to the side a little bit. Bit more. Come on. Right, yeah. Now we need to stay in the ball.
Okay,
Right.
do I need...
Well done, Chris.
I'm sorry.
Quick, Chris, triangle! Oh.
I got
remember,
much control.
just mash square.
You do.
No, yeah. Whoop.
Yeah, I almost died. Oh, James.
Taste my electric. Yeah.
Yeah, to fight these, you have to blow up the little electric shards he creates.
I think I jumped off the mountain.
Yeah, I think he did as well.
Come on, spawn! Oh.
President Kirk here.
Shrooms.
I took a shortcut.
How many of those guys are there?
Oh no, but I'm not messing around with them. Right. Quick. Lols, bye Chris. I saved you. No! No!
Bye,
No,
Sam.
leave him.
Chris, I just saved you!
See ya.
No!
We don't care. You killed us with it earlier.
I just saved Chris though.
Yeah, but
You.
No! What the fuck? Where did it come from?
I got you back.
Come on, so slow.
We're working as a team here.
That's Sam.
Team?
Sam's working with Sam.
What's team? There's no I in team.
I team?
No. Don't say that, Chris. Apple or sewers.
Sewer?
Huh? You've got beer, don't you?
No.
What you got?
Beer.
No, what sort?
I know you got beer.
It's called
Sewer.
Can you tell us how to access this facility?
Facilitator.